Okay, folks, welcome. So, for starters, obviously, probably expected, but everybody is able to unmute. Of course, I don't recommend everybody all just unmute generally, or it will be a cacophony. So, when somebody is selected who it's their turn, just go ahead and unmute yourself. We will have a chat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you I recommend, of course, everybody be looking at your own platform because you're going to be more comfortable and more familiar with your screen than looking at mine. Speaking of mine, these aren't moving. That's a little weird. Wait a minute. What's going on here? I just noticed. Oh, I'm on the wrong. It didn't translate the symbols. Genius. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you, Sierra. Okay, let's try that again. There it goes. All right. Cha-ching. That means we're online and live and we're loading data. Cool. All right. So those will load and be ready in a second. So yeah, anyway, as I was saying, you're going to be a lot more familiar with your own screens than my screens. So, I would suggest you look at what you're most comfortable with, regardless of, it doesn't matter what kind of charts, price action, footprints, it makes no difference at all. You look at whatever is comfortable for you. I have a very vertical layout here. Of course, I've got a 30-minute here on the right half of the screen, and then ES session, full session, Globex dome, and then NQ dome, YM dome, RTY dome, and that's it. It's pure vertical. So if you want to look at mine, obviously you're welcome to do so, but I would suggest probably better to look at your own. Anyway, somebody will go, and what I will do is I have my handy dandy trusty coin here, and I am literally going to flip the coin. It is going to tell me whether it is going to be a long or it is going to be a short, and I will make sure that you've had, I don't know, at least probably 10, 15 seconds or so to get your bearings. It shouldn't take you all that long. And then I'm going to tell you what your trade is. I'm going to put you in. So you are not going to be the one making the decision on the trade. You are going to have to just work with it as best you can. And I'm not, going to be intentionally trying to screw with anybody here because I'm not even picking the direction. It's random. This is going to be a coin flip. An actual, here it is. Coin, actual physical coin. So this is totally random, and you're just going to do whatever you think is best with it. And that could be to instantly get flat. It could be to add. It could be to, do any number of things. There's no limits. There's no rules. Do whatever you want. No position size limit. You want to add 400 contracts, you'll knock yourself out. I think that's probably silly, but you get my point. All right. I am going to also call up the thread where I had bumped this morning, if I can remember where I put it. I don't remember where it was now. Let's go to recent conversations and find it. There it is. And there's this trade. Ta-da. All right. So I have put some suggested language in that thread. I will throw it in the chat. What the heck? Oh, no. Okay. That's good. So there it is. There's my suggested language for how I suggest we manage this, because I want to keep this just excuse me, fast and fluid. And, you just tell me, if you just say add, if you're already in a long and you just say add, then I'm going to mark it in long one more. If you say add 3, I'm going to mark it in 3 more, etc. If you say, limit by or limit add at whatever, then I will put an order there, etc. So should be fairly self-explanatory for everybody, I'm sure. So to kick things off, I'm going to ask for a volunteer. Who would like to be the first victim of today's manage this trade extravaganza? Who's feeling like they want to step up to the mic? Feel free to unmute yourself if you want to go. Who's going to do it? Who's going to step up? Come on. Somebody step up. Where's my music? I can't find my Jeopardy music. What the hell? All my music. There it is. There we go. You're already managing one. Sebastian's getting ahead of the game. All right. Well, who else? All right. Well, David, unmute yourself. Let's do it. I'm just waiting for somebody to unmute. Jeffrey, whoever unmutes first and starts yakking at me is going to have the mic. So find your mute button. The music is really, oh, really? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, well, thank you for the feedback on that. That's odd. Shouldn't be super loud, huh? Okay, so David's having technical difficulties with his headphones.
No,
all right.
I fixed it.
Hey, there we go. All right, fantastic. All right, you got your screens up?
You're watching ES?
I mean, I'm looking at everything. I'd suggest you look at your screens because you're going to be more comfortable with them.
All right,
But you can look at mine if you want.
Go ahead, I'm ready.
Okay, cool. All right, let's flip a coin. And all right, here we go. You are, whoops, come on. Hello, helps down the right thing. You are long one at whatever that is, 39.51.
In ES?
In ES, yes.
Okay, take a tick.
So what does that mean? You got to, yeah, I'm assuming you meant get flat.
Put a limit.
All right. Well, I got you flat. You said take a tick. I assumed that meant get out. So you got to. This is why I tried to suggest some language. We got to be really consistent with language, or I'm not going to know exactly what people mean. And especially if you're going for a tick, I don't have any time to figure out what you mean. So
let's in NES limits, and NQ will just market order in and out. And we're still long?
I can't hang on. I can't be trading a bunch of different instruments. Let's just stick with ES.
Okay, so ES only. Go ahead and put a limit sell order for one tick.
Okay. Where? Tell me your price.
I'm trying to see what price you're at. 39.
This is why I suggested you look at your screens, not mine.
Well, I didn't. I'm trying to see the price that I'm at.
You're long 51.75.
Yeah, go ahead and get out.
Okay.
Order filled.
Okay.
All right. Let's try that again. So you want to be looking at my screens then, I take it. So
yeah, I wasn't. I was trying to find my. Okay, I'm just
hang on. And additionally, I just realized these domes. I don't use numbers on my correlation domes, but we're not trading those markets anyway, so the price levels don't matter. Let's see. Why is my pullback not correct? Oh, my data is screwy. All right, there we go. Now we're correct. All right, let's try this again. And if you want to see my information, I'm going to spread this out a little bit more. Okay, so let's try it again. Let me go ahead and flip the coin again. All right, and here we go. You are
order filled.
Long 50 quarter.
Put a sell limit order at 51.50.
51.50.
Let's see if we can go ahead and get filled. Push it up a little bit.
Boom. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Excellent. All right. Let's go ahead and let somebody else have a shot. So Jeff Fielding, did you figure out how to unmute? You should. There's nothing on my end that's keeping you from unmuting. So is it Zoom that won't let you unmute? Because that definitely should not be. Oh, you're on the phone. Ah, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, I never use the mobile app, so I'm not sure where the mute button is on that one. And if anybody else wants to go first, I just want to keep this snappy. So whoever unmutes first and I hear a voice will get the next spot. And in fact, let's zoom in a little bit on this too, so you can see there as well. Anybody else want to unmute? Amy, you mentioned that you wanted to go. It's up to you guys. Whoever unmutes, you're up. So. Somebody step up to the mic. Come on, gang. There's no point in being here if you're not gonna step up and do it. So somebody. Says phone. Oh, you're driving? Are you in the car? Oh, but it thinks you are. Uh-oh. Well, that's a problem. All right. Hey, there we go. Donnie, hey, what's going on, man?
How's it going?
It's going good.
I'm trying to trade and watch the World Cup.
Oh, okay. Well, this is going to be interesting. So don't let this jeopardize any real trading.
No, it's okay. We're between games right now.
Okay, perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and flip. And okay, I'm sensing a theme here. Are we ready? You got your screens up, or are you looking at mine?
I'm looking at mine.
Okay, great. Here we go. You are
Order filled.
long 53.
Okay. Put a buy limit on 51.25. Catch some absorption.
51 quarter. You got it?
Okay, so I'm probably in the red at the moment.
You're in 2 now.
Okay. Oh dear. There we go. Okay. I'm in profit by a tick or so. Yeah.
What was that?
I'm in profit by a tick or so.
Oh, average, yeah, something like that, yeah.
Okay. So I am buying 2. Okay, put a sell limit order at 2 sell limit orders at sell stop orders at 50-50.
50-50. Okay.
Just stick it out. I am going to be
order filled. Order filled.
You're out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Out.
Cool. Let's see. Amy's in a trade. Yes, Calvin is giving some sage advice on don't drive and trade. Definitely. Yeah, I think your phone, for some reason, Jeff, is just confused. It thinks maybe you move so fast that it thinks you're driving. I don't know.
Okay.
All right. Oh, Amy, looks like you unmuted. You there, Amy?
Yep, I can step in the other room. I have a shared office space, so I can't just be calling out orders while I got out of my other trade.
Right.
So,
all right. You're in your office. Cool. All right. Can you see a screen, though, if you're stepping out?
I got it on my phone, so we'll see how this works.
Oh, this will be interesting. All right. Let's see what we get here. Okay. And, boy, this coin is just, I don't know. There's a pattern here. You are
order filled.
Long 49.75.
Get me flat.
Flat.
Order filled.
All right. You're out with a tick. Nice. All right.
Roll it again, baby.
Sure.
Hit me again.
All right. Until somebody, yeah, the coin does seem like it's weighted. It's crazy. Until somebody else steps up and unmutes, I'm just going to let Amy go again because that was stupidly quick. Let's go. Coin flip and hey, how do you know? What do you know? All right, here we go. You are, you are short 49.75.
Okie doke. Let's put a buy order limit just above the IB.
Whereabouts would you like it? IB is at 70. Oh, okay. Got it. You got it.
And if we go up more than 5 ticks, I want you to add 1.
Okay.
If we go up more than 10 ticks, I want you to add 2.
Great.
Well, let's see how this works out.
And by add 2, you meant add 2 more on top of the 1 that was already added. Is that correct?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
So
great.
I'll be short 3.
Correct. Actually, you would be short 4.
Okay, that's fine.
Cool.
Yeah, that's right.
It has suddenly decided it doesn't want to go anywhere.
Right. Well, it's been like that today. It moves it's thin, moves really quick, and then nothing.
Yep. And now it's almost going to give it to you. Oh, they don't want to let you have it.
All morning for me.
There you go.
Like,
all right.
So now we're short 2?
Short 2, correct.
And the average price is?
50-50.
Okay, we're good. We might hang out here at 50 for a while.
And do you want to consistently be taking everything off at that 1 tick ahead of the IB?
No, we can take 1 off and then see if we break it to the downside. Great. We'll leave 1 on.
Perfect.
We might add to this, huh?
And oh yeah, that's right. We haven't broken the IB yet. That's right. I forgot what time it was.
No, what time is it? 10:35, something like that?
36, 37, yeah.
Yeah. So I like this for the next few minutes. If we don't get going to the downside, then we might just cut it off.
Yeah, this is my most frustrating of all of the structural setups because some days it's 4 hours before it finally freaking does it.
Well, we had a really strong push up and the buyers have been really relentless.
Order filled.
Oh, there you go. You are short 2 more. You're short 4 now total.
All right. Where's our break even?
Break even is at 51.50, which you're at right now.
So at 51, buy order 3 long.
Order filled.
And you got them all. Boom.
Okay. So
you're short 1.
You're short 1, and we're going to see if we can head back down. This is how I manage my risk. I will add to this if it goes up. Probably up around 54. Because it's been litigating that 55 area. Well, you really can't tell our P&L because you're probably not resetting that.
Yeah. Although, you know what I could do? Let's see here. Let's go trades. That'll give me a running P&L if I go to today. Oops, hello. This is considered non-sim, even though it's really sim. And let's just do this. And running P&L would be, or no, I don't want running P&L. I need flat to flat. That's what I need. Yeah. Flat to flat. There we go. And
because in just my trade here, I'd like to know where I stand after I took those 3 off. I think it's profitable.
Yeah, you're up 145.70. It looks like.
Okay.
Yep.
So we can put a protective stop in at 1 tick.
Okay.
Just in case we get a sweep to the upside. And then we'll see if this will come down here and take us out.
Feeling like it wants to, yeah.
Sketchy though.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna get tagged. There we go. You guys can help me because I can't see. I really can't see what the.
It's just kind of bouncing around 50 even right now, sort of up and down, not really going anywhere quite yet.
So let's just drag our stop down a little bit, give it maybe 3 ticks of room. We'll just see if we get hit. If we can trail it, cool. If not.
Okay. I'll see if I can trail it at about 3 ticks-ish.
That sounds good.
Order
Boom,
filled.
there you go. All right, you are flat.
Right.
Nice.
Flatten.
$145 out of that.
Okay. Cool.
Actually, wait, doesn't seem like it changed. Oh, there we go. I had to hit refresh. So 108 in the final analysis. Cool.
All right.
Let's see. Does it want to resolve singles? Yeah, absolutely. Does it want to resolve singles before or after IB break? Single? Do you mean TPO singles? I don't have a TPO up at the moment. Let's see if I can see any. Oh yeah. There would be a little bit of TPO single right there. Yeah, that's a good point. We got just a few ticks worth of them right there.
Above us.
Yeah. Whoops. And I just put an order on. Hello. Not what I want to do. All right. All right, cool. So who else is mic'd up and able to unmute? Jeff, did you ever manage to figure out what your phone is doing? A lot of people on this call. Come on. Who else wants to go? I don't plan to make this a super long session or anything. I figure a half hour or so should do, but I'm hoping to get a bunch more people to step up and give this a try. It is a very different process for sure.
If we break that ledge, I'd like to hop on the call, see if I can't manage something there, but we're not there yet.
Okay, well, and it's going to be random. It might be totally not the direction you want to trade anyway. So this is part of the point: is you don't get to decide. You get what you get. But if you want to go again, nobody else has. So do you want to go again?
Sure, go ahead. Coin flip it.
All right, let's do it. And that last one was a tails, by the way, for anybody who's keeping track with Amy. So this coin actually can do tails. All right, here we go. You are short one at 50 quarter.
Okay. Go ahead and get out at 50. Put a buy limit at 50.
Okay.
Order filled.
Got it. Boom. All right. Phone is not letting you unmute still. Wow. All right. It sounds like maybe your phone needs a reboot or something. It seems to be stuck in driving mode. I don't know. I'm guessing you use it in the car periodically and it just never let go of that mode. What a bummer. All right. Well, let's see who else. I'm just going to start naming off names. Robert, Maria, Paul, Sebastian, Valente, Donna, Calvin, Bauer. Did I miss anyone?
Hey,
Valente, what's going on?
Hey, what's up? So I'm finally out of my trade. So yeah.
Oh, excellent. How did it go?
Fine, thanks. Actually, I was gonna suggest that I'm not sure about this the timing of this live session because many of us, I believe, that are trading.
Sure. That's always the trick, unfortunately, with the morning TRG sessions is some days it overlaps with your trading, in which case, obviously, I would say your trading is the priority. That's why we record them. So, but yeah, your point is well taken. I actually didn't even really realize the time this was scheduled at this morning. And I looked and said 10:20. Why on earth did we choose that? That seems like a strange time. So yeah, for future reference, I personally would feel like a little bit later is probably good. So yeah. All right. Are you ready to give this a shot?
I'm ready. Ooh.
And we just broke to the downside. Look at that. All right, here we go. Coin flipping. And all right. And you are long one at 47.
Long?
Yes.
Oh, dang. Yeah. But put an exit below 46, please.
Below 46. Yeah. Okie dokie.
And we're flat. Right now.
Right. Flat. Boom. Nice.
Yeah.
Got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we got 5 ticks out of that. Very nice.
That's nice.
Excellent. Good job. All right. Let's see. Who else would like to do this? Oh, you got no mic, Robert? Ah, bummer. Maria, have you got your kids sufficiently wrangled to want to try this? I'm going to say I doubt it, but never know. Stranger things have happened.
I believe David wanted after the break of the ledge.
Oh, yeah, that's true. David, did you want to try something now that we've broken the ledge? Although you probably want to trade a specific direction, and this is random, so that may not help you very much for that. So. Okay, Donna. Oh, David's trading. Okay, cool. Then do your thing, David. Absolutely. Manage your trades. All right. Anybody else who has not gone today want to give this a try? Anybody else mic'd up that has or has not? I mean, if anybody wants to go again, by all means, unmute yourself and let's do it. Hell, for that matter, you're here. Do you want to go again to Valente?
What about you, JVC?
Sure, I'll do it. Yeah, why not? Let's go.
Okay. I'll flip for you. You're short. Okay.
What price?
Right now, market short.
Oh, okay. But what? From where? What price?
You do it on your platform.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were doing it. Okay, got it. Okay. All right. Come on. Go. There we go. All right. Well, crappy short, but I'm short. That's fine. All right. Let's see. I'm okay with this. Almost a price rejector, but not quite at the top of the pullback, which I don't love. But we do have that UB right there, so I'm inclined to give this a chance to play out. What's everybody else doing? Everybody else is kind of hanging out towards the lows. Nobody's pushing their edges right now, their ledges. All right, here we go. We're getting Are we going to get a price rejector or are we going to break it? Looks like it's trying to put in a price rejector on the pullback bar right here. So I'm actually going to go ahead and add one short if it'll give it to me. Okay, it did. And I will see about taking that off ahead of the UB. Get the short. Come on. Yeah, boy, this is crazy slow today. Wow.
But it hasn't been that bad. I thought it was going to be slow.
It is. It does look tradable. I hadn't even looked at the markets yet this morning until we started, but it is just really not going anywhere with any kind of gusto. All right, here we go. Take one off.
Order filled.
There we go. Got my first one off. Let's see what we can get from here. Okay, I'm going to protect that at a tick in case it's
Order
it.
filled.
All right, that's it. I got a tick out of that one too. All right, cool. That worked out.
Yeah.
Nice.
One.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to do this too. That was fun.
Oh, no. Thank you, JVC.
Absolutely. All right. Who else? Anybody else want to step up? We got a little bit of time left. We got, maybe 10 more minutes. If anybody else wants to go again. Oh, did you want to go again, Valente?
Go ahead.
All right, let's do it. Let's go flip. And okay. You are, oops, not what I meant to do. Let's try that again. You are
Order
short,
filled.
46.75.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Protective stop with one tick. Yep.
Okay, got it.
Thank you.
Order filled.
Boom, there's your tick. Nice. Manage risk. Love it. All right. Anybody else wants to go again or a first time? For if any of you who have not gone do have a mic. I don't know. Bauer, you've had a mic before, I believe. If you're feeling like giving it a try. Oh, Alfredo, I think, just joined us. Oh, no mic today. Ah, bummer. So, Alfredo, I think your name just appeared on the list. So, because of that, I'm going to put you on the spot. How you doing? Do you want to give this a try?
Okay.
Hey, there you are. Hello.
Okay.
All right. So, I think you just joined, right?
No, I have been here for a while. What about the long at the 39.47?
All right. Well, hold on a second. I haven't put you in a trade yet. So let's flip the coin and see what you're going to get. Whoops. Of course, I dropped the coin. Great. Where did it go? Hang on. I dropped the coin and now I have no idea. Oh, there it is. It's in my pocket. Well, that would do it. Let's try that again. All right. And okay. You are
Order filled.
short one at 45.75.
45.75. Okay. Put the exit at the 44.75.
Sorry. Which price?
One second. So I am long at what?
No, you're short. You're short at 45.75.
Okay. Put the stop at 39.44.50. It's gone.
39.44.
Yeah, no, it's done.
Oh, you mean an exit? Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
You said stop and
No.
So I was.
I mean an exit. Sorry.
Got it. Okay. So sorry about that. We missed it, but your read was solid. So and it looks like actually you got UB down there. It looks like you're still going to get it.
Yeah.
We all of a sudden picked up a little bit of movement.
I didn't know. Now we play with the coin. Sorry. I missed that.
Oh, yeah. No problem. That's why I didn't think you were here from the beginning. I could have sworn I didn't see your name
I missed
earlier.
10 minutes. Yeah.
Yep. No problem. Yes, definitely, Amy. Make sure you're mic'd up. If you've got a mic, you're in a closet somewhere or in a drawer or something, pull it out. If you don't have a mic, get a cheap one.
Now you flip the coin again, or how it works?
No, you're still in your trade. It hasn't gotten back down again because I missed your exit. I didn't take you out. I could have. I mean, you would have gotten it. So.
Okay.
We can if you want to kill it, we can go and kill it. I mean, you would have gotten it if I had understood what your request was. I'd have had that in, and you'd have gotten out with a profit. So
keep it. It's going in that direction.
Yeah, I still like it. I still think it's going to work out. Oh yeah, that's a good point, Amy. Black Friday sales. Yeah, if you're if you don't have a mic and you want to get one, now's the time. You can probably pick something up for dirt cheap. Either a standalone mic or just a headset. You probably get something crazy cheap.
So my exit is at what?
44.50. One tick off the low, which is UB.
Okay.
I think it'll give it to you. It's just really taking its time.
Not sure. NQ is going up.
Yeah, it's right at the top of this little range here. Yeah. What's that?
Close it, kill it.
Okay.
Order filled.
All right, cool. Well, you did a good job. That would have been a very nicely profitable trade had I understood your initial request. So good read on that. You picked it right. Very good. All right, nice. We got a couple minutes left. Anybody else want to take another stab at this or take a first stab before we wrap this session up? This was fun. If anybody else wants to unmute, go for it. And I mean, you can try, by the way, you can try managing it via text as well. It's just obviously there's going to be a considerable latency from you typing something to then me reading it and then me executing it. But, can try it if anybody wants to. There's no harm in giving it a go.
Let's go. Let's go, buddy.
Yeah, it still does look like it's not done going down yet. It's just not doing it right now. All right, you know what? Since nobody else is doing it, I'm going to take a stab here. See if I can get a short.
Order filled.
Here we go. Got one, and I would take another there. Yeah, exactly. Everyone's already checked out. All right, can we break the low? You're not going to let me get a second one on, are you? Okay, I got a little bit of absorption happening here. Yeah, you know what?
Order filled.
Yeah, okay, take my tick. I didn't like all that absorption that was happening right there. Made me a little bit hesitant about it happening right now, but you know what? I'll go again if we can get up here. So I'm just going to sit here and trade for a few minutes. I'll wrap this up in, 5 minutes. I'll wrap this up on the hour. If anybody else wants to go before then just unmute yourself and hop on in. Otherwise, I'll trade for the next 5 minutes and we'll see what we get. Oh, hey, what do you know? I got one. All right, let's see if we can break the low this time. As long as we can stay below this area of volume here on NQ, I'm feeling all right about this. But if we push up through that little thin spot and start to head up into this, I don't like it because it could go anywhere. Who knows? And that could just drag ES with it for a long enough that I don't want to sit in it. So kind of watching this price rejector right here as well in the pullback bar to see if that starts to break down. Kind of my first clue. Yeah, because NQ is trying to push up into that right now. There goes the price rejector. Do I want to kill this or no? Watching this thin spot here in ES. Okay, just pushed up into it and it's going to kill
Order
it.
filled.
Don't like it. Yep, there we go. Now we're pushing up into that. That's exactly what I didn't want to get caught in, was this could push anywhere. Who knows? So, all right, cool. Done with that one. All right. Well, nobody else has unmuted, and I don't see anything I want to do here. So I am going to. Oh, and I just realized I didn't flip a coin on myself. I just picked a short because of the UB. I broke the rules. Oh, no. All right. Let's go ahead and call that. Oh, is Apex doing a different sale, Calvin, or is this the 80%? Or is there another one? Yeah, it's the 80. Okay. Yeah. Yep. The 80% is pretty good, but it's not $3. I want my $3. I really want like super, super, super crazy, stupid cheap. I'm just holding out for that. But if nothing materializes, if nothing materializes by next weekend, yeah, $3 was Lilu, exactly. And I'm hoping they do it again. But if nothing materializes by next weekend, then I may just go ahead and break down and grab I don't want to do Apex though. I don't like the way they do their micro breakdown. So I'd probably stick with Lilu. But don't forget also, everybody, Lilu is really good about price matching. They've always been amazing about that. So if you contact them with a sale that someone else is running, and then you just contact them at support and just tell them, hey, Apex is doing this, whatever, they'll beat it by $5, I think, or maybe it's 5%. I forget, but by some amount. So yeah, and I'm sure they're going to do something for Black Friday. It's Lilu, they will. So yeah, we'll just have to see. But yeah, I'm looking for the really good deals because I've got nothing right now. I've got no fundeds, no evals, no anything. I am starting completely flat. So I'm looking forward to picking something up and seeing what I can do with it. So, all right, gang, we'll call it there. Thanks. This was fun. Hopefully we can get this process of doing this a little more smooth into the future, and we'll have more of this. It's a good drill. It's a fun thing to do. So until the next time. Oh, next time actually would be the ETF hour. Hopefully Jeff is feeling up to it. We actually have not heard yet. I know he was going in to go see the doctor this morning to go get some things checked on. So we'll see what we hear from him hopefully soon. If I haven't heard anything from him by, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes before it's supposed to start, I will probably cancel it. So I guess just keep your eyes peeled in the pit. And I'll announce something one way or the other. And hopefully we hear from him shortly that he is well. Oh, actually, hang on. Nope, that's not from him. Never mind. So, all right, we'll catch you next time. We'll talk soon. Ta-ta.